Hello everyone and welcome. Get ready for a series of multiple choice questions covering various C++ concepts and challenges. All right, let's get started. What type of programming language is C++? Is it purely interpreted? Purely compiled? Both compiled and interpreted? Or scripting language? Give yourself a second to respond. The correct answer is B, purely compiled. C++ source code is typically compiled into machine code before execution. Who developed the C++ programming language? Is it Dennis Ritchie, Bjarne Stroustrup, James Gosling, or Guido van Rossum? Think about it for a moment. The correct answer is B, Bjarne Stroustrup. Bjarne Stroustrup created C++ at Bell Labs. C++ is an extension of which programming language? Is it Java, Python, C, or Pascal? Please take a moment. The correct answer is C. C++ was designed as an extension of the C language. Which of the following is not a fundamental concept in C++? Pointers. Is it object-oriented programming, garbage collection, or templates? The correct answer is C, garbage collection. Built-in, C++ requires manual memory management. It does not have built-in automatic garbage collection like some other languages. Which header file is commonly used for input and output operations in C++? A, B, C, or D? Take a moment to think about it. The correct answer is B, IOStream. IOStream is the standard C++ header for stream-based input, output. What is the standard namespace in C++ that contains common functionalities like cout and cyan? A, std, B, common, C, base, D, system. The correct answer is A, std is the standard namespace in C++. What is the entry point function for a C++ program? Is it start, run, execute, or main? Take a moment to think about it. The correct answer is D, main. Execution of a C++ program begins in the main function. Which of the following is not a built-in fundamental data type in C++? A, int, B, float, C, string, D, char. The correct answer is C, string. String is a class in the standard library, not a fundamental built-in type like int, float, and char. What is the data type used to store a single character? A, int, B, string, C, char, D, bool. The correct answer is C, char. The char data type is used to store a single character. Which data type is used to store true or false values? Is it int, float, char, or doa? The correct answer is D, bool. The bool data type can hold either true or false. What is the typical size of an data type in bytes? Though it can vary. A, 1, B, 2, C, 4, D, boot. The correct answer is C, 4. While not strictly guaranteed by the standard, int is commonly 4 bytes on most modern systems. How do you declare an integer variable named count and initialize it to 0? A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is A. What is a constant in C++? A, a variable whose value can be changed. B, a value that cannot be changed after initialization. C, a function that returns a fixed value. D, a type of operator. The correct answer is B, a value that cannot be changed after initialization. Constants are declared using the const keyword and their value is fixed. How do you declare a constant integer named max_value with a value of 100? A, in const max_value 100. B, const int max_value 100. C, constant int max_value 100. D, both A and B are correct. Take a moment. The correct answer is D, both A and B are correct. The const keyword can be placed before or after the data type. What is the purpose of the size of operator? A, to get the value of a variable. B, to get the memory address of a variable. C, to get the size in bytes of a data type or variable. D, to check if a variable is null. The correct answer is C, to get the size in bytes of a data type or variable. Size of returns the size in bytes of its operand. Which of these is an example of implicit type conversion, coercion? A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is C. Implicit conversion happens automatically when mixing compatible types in an expression. What does the plus plus operator do? A, decrements a value by 1. B, increments a value by 1. C, multiplies a value by 2. D, divides a value by 2. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, increments a value by 1. Plus plus is the increment operator. What does the exclamation mark equals operator do? A, checks for equality. B, checks for inequality. C, assigns a value. D, performs logical NOT. Think about it. The correct answer is B, checks for inequality. It returns true if the operands are not equal. What is the difference between the prefix +A and postfix A++ increment operators? A, no difference. B, prefix increments after the value is used, postfix increments before. C, prefix increments before the value is used, postfix increments after. D, prefix is only for integers, postfix is for floats. The correct answer is C, prefix increments before the value is used, postfix increments after. Prefix returns the value after incrementing, postfix returns the value before incrementing. What does this operator return? A, true if either operand is true. B, true if both operands are false. C, true if operands are equal. D, the product of the operands. Think about it. The correct answer is A, true if either operand is true. Logical OR is true if at least one condition is true. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest training? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join our community.